Here's how to use IBC's Way.com second book, Visiting Disney with Basic English.
If you buy all 4 books, here's how they'll appear on your tablet or phone.
After 10 years of research, Dr. C.K. Ogden has discovered 850 basic words, worth 20,000 words that can help people communicate in English very quickly.
We've used these words to generate 22 long conversations, and added many more words to create this book.
You can change pages with no problem.
All pictures of speakers have a sound.
It's hard to come to Magic Kingdom without trying Space Mountain.
Sounds are everywhere.
Dialogue 1. Flying to Orlando.
This book has a lot of content based on a visit to Disney World. It has over 400 pages. It even contains a small dictionary with sounds.
Dress. She is dressed to kill. A person who wears very fashionable, eye-catching or seductive clothing, or
There's also a link to download separately, nearly 6 hours of sounds.
Dialogue 1. Flying to Orlando.
Remember, once you've downloaded your book, you don't need the internet to use it.
For books, to get rid of your English problems for good. Buy them for yourself, or for someone you know who needs them.
We need your help. To continue the work, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share.